law school just popped in to visit. So
Oh, wow. Okay.
love catching up. All righty. We're ready?
Yes, Judge.
Go ahead, Mr. Manufo, next.
Second on page 2, Judge. In cause number 2022 DCV 3342, Miriam Rivas et al. Versus El Paso County, Texas et al. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Jonathan Baez on behalf of plaintiffs.
Morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Jimenez on behalf of defendant.
Okay, let me see. Just scheduling conference. Are you all good with a trial date next year, May 2024? Or is there something else going on?
That works.
Okay, we're
The
gonna
issue here, Judge, I apologize, Your Honor.
go ahead.
The issue here is that we need to have a hearing on the pleaded jurisdiction first. In this particular instance, there was no notice under the Texas Tort Claims Act. That we didn't have either the 6-month constructive or actual notice of the claim.
Well, I think we can schedule trial and within that schedule the PT, the plea to the jurisdiction hearing.
Oh, I see. Mr. Jimenez, had you all previously sent a request to have that set for hearing?
I'm not entirely sure. I don't believe so.
Okay, so I need you all to go ahead and do that. Yeah, was it filed back in December?
It may have been, Your Honor.
I don't know. I don't know that we ever received that, so that's probably why that was still outstanding.
Okay.
But I am going to set the regular trial track. So send in independent of the scheduling order, your request for hearing on that. You can anticipate it would be within the next 30 days. And then we'll get you that May 2024 trial setting, the scheduling order. Have you all even discussed an agreed mediator?
Not yet.
Okay, if you all will include that, Mr. Jimenez, the sooner you get it in, the sooner I can get you scheduled in on my sub docket, okay?
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
And we're gonna do May 17th, May 15th docket call. That means a final civil pretrial looking at April 17th, I'm thinking, of 2024. So we'll get you the scheduling order. You'll have a 2-week setting to return the scheduling order. Like I said, Mr. Jimenez, as soon as you get your request in with your pleading, we'll get this scheduled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All righty. Thank you very much. Who's
Thank you,
next?
Continuing on page 2, Judge, in cause number 2022 DCV 3302, Jacob Cavender versus Abraham Gamboa. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Alfiero on behalf of the plaintiff.
Cliff Jessup on behalf of defendant Gamboa, Judge.
And we're here in a status conference. We do not have a trial setting. What are we doing?
Getting a trial date.
Do you want it a year out?
That would be fine, Judge.
Okay. Who was it? Mr. Jessup, Mr. Alfiero, you good with that? Also, we're going to use that May 17th trial setting.
Sure.
Okay, please include your mediator. You all know the drill.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
All righty. Thank you very much.
And Your Honor, I believe I'm covering for Mr. Vega at 10:30. Is it the same link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Who's next?
Bottom of page 2, Judge, in cause number 2022 DCV 3313, Jorge Cruz Chavez et al. Versus Pedro Morales et al. Announcement of council, please.
Desiree Duarte on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Good
Hugo
morning.
Madrid on behalf of the defendants.
Good morning. Also status conference. Are you all looking for a trial setting as well?
That's correct,
We-
Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
This will also be on May 17th. Any issues next year, May 17th?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
No issues for me.
May 15th docket call again. Have you all discussed a mediator?
Judge, we've actually been discussing going to mediation here in the near future. I'm just waiting to hear back from my client as to availability, which
Okay,
I did confer with Ms. Duarte earlier this morning.
Who's the mediator?
We haven't discussed a specific one, Your Honor, just the fact of going to mediation with somebody, Your Honor.
Okay.
But
If you will include that with the scheduling order and return the scheduling order, good luck. Hopefully you all can take care of that. If not, we'll get your regular settings, okay?
will do, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms.
Thank you all.
Duarte. Who's next?
Middle of page 3, Judge.
Mhm.
in cause number 2022 DCV 3316, Jacqueline Duran versus Total Mechanical Inc. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Attorney Paul Sabina for the plaintiff.
Morning, Nicholas Jimenez for defendant.
Okay. Status conference as well. Looks like all of these are scheduling. Did you all need a trial setting?
Not yet, Your Honor. We are still conducting discovery as far as defendant Total Mechanical Inc. is concerned. Also, we are filing an amended petition today, adding the defendant driver who was previously unknown to us. So we need time to get the defendant driver served and then get his deposition scheduled once an answer is filed for him. Currently, we have deposition scheduled for plaintiff for July the 13th.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is reset the scheduling status conference for 45 days. Is this newly identified party, I guess, potentially the last one coming in, or do you think they're
Correct.
just agree? Okay, so we're going to do 45 days out for a scheduling status conference. Mr. Jimenez, do you have anything?
No, ma'am, that's fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Who's next?
Top of page 3, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2022 DCV 3275, the Nevares Law Firm PC versus Tires Auto Service LLC et al. Announcement of council, please.
Yes, Michael Nevares for Nevares Law Firm, plaintiff.
Henry Becker, attorney for the defendants.
Okay, scheduling status conference. How are you all ready for a trial date, or what is happening in this case?
We are
Well,
prepared
Your Honor,
for,
Michael Nevares here. We haven't even exchanged interrogatories, but I don't mind if we set a trial date.
Okay, we are going to set a trial date a year out. May 17th will be the trial setting. You'll get the scheduling order. Have you all discussed a mediator?
No, Your Honor, we haven't.
Your Honor.
Please agree to a mediator included on the scheduling order and return it to the court. If not, the court will appoint one.
Very well, Your Honor.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor, thank you.
Anything you need outside of those dates on the scheduling order, just request your hearing with your pleading via email, okay?
Very well.
Will
Thank
do,
you,
Your
Your
Honor. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Who's
Aye.
next?
Judge, back to page 1, and Mr. Jabber is here for Mr. Benavides.
Okay. Miss Jabber, good morning. I'm sure they probably called you, but Mr. Melendez gave us a quick heads up, so I reset it for June 16th. I understand you all are working on some things.
I apologize.
Did I? June 16th? No, perdón. June 21st. June 21st, because something was happening on the 16th. Thank you for showing up.
Thank you so much, Judge. I apologize.
No worries. Take care.
May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Manufo, what happened on page 1 to 2906?
Reached out to both attorneys, Judge. No answer yet.
Let's call it.
Sorry, Judge. It was disposed on the 18th.
Oh, okay. So it's no longer outstanding. Okay. Next case, please.
We're all caught up, Judge, till 10:30.
Okay.